You won't believe these 10 science facts because they sound too crazy to be true. But guess what? They are. Bananas naturally contain potassium-40, a radioactive isotope. Eating one won't hurt you, but technically, they set off radiation detectors. Two hearts pump blood to the gills, one to the rest of the body, and their blood is blue. In something called the triple point, water can freeze, boil, and stay liquid, all at the same time under precise pressure. Every minute, your body sheds about 30,000 skin cells. That's over 40 million a day. You're constantly leaving a trail of you. Even though Venus is farther from the Sun, it's hotter than Mercury because of its insane atmosphere and CO2 trap. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs, and it's still edible, nature's ultimate preservative. If an atom were the size of a football stadium, its nucleus would be the size of a pea, and everything else is just empty space. You share about 60% of your DNA with a banana. Sounds wild, but genetics is full of strange overlaps. Lightning can reach 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. That smell? It's called petrichor, and it comes from plant oils and soil bacteria reacting with moisture. Truth is stranger than fiction, especially in science. Like and subscribe if at least one of these facts blew your mind today.